Some people buy Rolex watches. Some people buy $20,000 bicycles. I buy car parts. And these are the exquisite, beautiful PMO carburetors that I've just purchased. And I am very, very impressed. These are the little sight glasses for the fuel level, which Weber never had, but that's a really good idea. And you can see it says PMO and USA right there. I like that they put that on there. It shows that they're, they're very proud of the brand. It's not like they're trying to make Webers. They're making PMOs. So I bought the entire kit, and that comes with the air cleaners, which are nicely powder coated. And it's almost a shame to just cover these up here, but the 911s, the rain just comes right into the carbs if you don't have something. And there are some, these look like K&N filters. Are they? Probably. They certainly look like K&Ns. And all the linkage parts, of course, all of the hardware for bolting them onto the engine, the fuel pressure regulator, which, wow, that's it actually says PMO on it. That must be made for them. I also purchased the fuel pump from PMO, which is made by Redline, and it's a rotary fuel pump. This appears to be a very good quality. I'm hoping it's quiet and not one of the buzzy ones. Also, along with the entire kit, they sent along a synchrometer. A fuel synchrometer, which is good because although I have one of these, I'm not sure I have one that's this big, the diameter. It's a smaller one. And these are the 46s, so they're going on a 2.8 liter twin plug engine. And I will show you that engine next. And this is the engine that's going in the incredibly rusty 69 911T. It started life as a 75 2.7 liter, so it has the magnesium case. And I have enlarged it to 2.8 by boring out the cylinders and having them re-Nickel plated. So the bore was 92 millimeters. And it has high compression JE pistons in it. So the compression ratio is going to be 9.8 to 1, which is not too crazy, but it's going to be a street car. So as you can see, I did have it twin plugged, the heads, and I also got the twin plug distributor from JB Racing, JBR, down in Florida. And they also did the head work. And to get the second plug in, what they do is way up underneath there, like it's almost impossible to get to with the engine in, they drill and install a smaller second spark plug. I dressed the engine up a little bit. All the black parts have been powder coated, or I powder coated them with my own little powder coating kit in my trusty kitchen oven. I'm hoping the powder coating holds up a little bit better than paint, because I've painted these magnesium parts in the past, and they start to blister a little bit. We'll see how it goes. So I'm really excited now. I'm really inspired to get this engine running now that I see the carburetors on here. And the carburetors have really been what's holding up this whole engine project. I just wasn't sure what I was going to do for induction. I was thinking maybe going fuel injection, maybe mechanical, in which case the heads would have had to come off. So that's why the heads aren't really on yet, to drill them for the fuel injectors. And the cams aren't in yet, but the cams are they're sort of like a cross between, or like in between, a Solex cam and an E cam. They were only used for 1 year, and we'll see how they do. I may end up going and getting them ground just full Solex specs, depending on how the engine runs. But I'm thinking that this engine will probably make 200 to 225 horsepower, to be sort of pessimistic about it. It might make a little more. And I do have the the SSI exhaust system there in place of the original. So that's the early style exhaust, headers, manifolds. All right, so yeah, the carburetors are just still looking beautiful. I'm really pleased with them. They are quite gorgeous. Okay, signing off. Maybe next time I see you in a video, this engine will be running. Hopefully that'll be the next few months from now. Get this engine running. That's the goal. Signing off.